Hi, I'm Surbhi Goyal, a postgraduate student of journalism and mass communication. This video is created purely for educational purposes, aiming to explain the latest development in the US-Israel-Iran conflict of 2026. West Asia is on brink of major regional war as tensions between the United States, Israel and Iran have escalated into direct military conflict. What began as low-standing geopolitical rivalry has now turned into full-scale confrontations, raising global concerns over energy, economy and security. The conflict escalated dramatically on 28 February 2026 when US and Israeli forces launched a massive military operation codenamed Operation Epic Fury. In just 12 hours, nearly 900 strikes targeted Iran's missile bases, air defense systems and key leadership locations. Report suggests that Iran's supreme leader and several top officers were killed while civilian infrastructure also suffered heavy damage. Iran responded swiftly and aggressively. Hundreds of ballistic missiles and drones were launched towards Israel and US military bases across West Asia, including Bahrain, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and UAE. What was once the shadow war has now turned into open regional warfare. This war has deep roots. For years, tension has been rising over Iran's nuclear program, US sanctions and Israel efforts to stop Iran from becoming a nuclear power. Proxy conflicts involving groups like Hezbollah have already intensified, especially along the Lebanon front earlier this year. The global impact is already visible. The Strait of Hormuz, a crucial route for global oil supply, is under threat. Oil prices are rising, markets are volatile, and fears of inflation and economic slowdown are growing worldwide. Efforts to stop the war are underway, but challenges remain. Global powers like China, Russia, and European Union may step in to mediate. However, political positions remain rigid. The US seeks a stronger deal, while Iran has shown no interest in ceasefire so far. For India, the impact is significant. Raising oil prices could increase fuel cost and inflation. Trade routes are disrupted and shipping costs are rising. More importantly, millions of Indians living in Gulf countries face safety risks, promoting evacuation preparedness. The situation remains highly volatile. As the world watches closely, the coming days will be critical, not just for West Asia, but for global peace, economy, and stability. This is a developing story. Stay with us for more updates.